Well, Indian Air Force and the Army have been leading a massive rescue and relief operation in Kathmandu. Our strategic affairs editor Gaurav Sawant brings you a latest update on the rescue and relief operation and also the aftershocks that were felt in North India. Before we bring you that report from Gaurav Sawant, Mr. Kamal Singh, he is the PRO of the Nepal police. He's joining us on the phone line as of now for a fresh update. Sir, my first question to you, what is the situation on the ground as of now? Can you also bring us up to speed on the numbers? How many casualties and how many are injured? I think we have lost that line with the PRO of the Nepal police. Now let me take you to that ground report that Gaurav Sawant has sent.
In Nepal and with me is Major General Shaukin Chauhan, Additional Director General at the Army Headquarters. General Chauhan, tell us about Indian Army operations being undertaken in Nepal.
You're aware, Gaurav, since the earthquake hit Nepal yesterday, the Indian Army Chief General Dalbir Singh spoke to the Chief of the Nepalese Army, General Gaurav Shamsher Rana, and he assured him of all the assistance and specially said that whatever the Nepalese army wanted, we'd do for that. And as a result of that conversation, and that conversation happened twice yesterday and once more today, and it will continue happening, we have dispatched a large number of teams. We've dispatched medical teams, we've dispatched engineer task forces.
There is a Major General rank officer who's been sent there, General Sandhu. What will his role be? And can you give us an idea about the number of personnel that the army has pumped into Nepal?
Firstly, the movement of General Sandhu. General Sandhu will interface between the Nepalese army and the Indian Army relief teams or the Indian Armed Forces relief teams that will be going into Nepal. In addition to General Sandhu, another one-star brigadier, Brigadier Gamlin, has been sent by the chief to further help ensure the relief efforts are institutionally provided in consonance with the requirements of the Nepal army. So as a result, we have Brigadier Gamlin, who's also landed there, and of course the Brigadier General Sandhu, who had landed yesterday. Now, as I was saying, we've moved engineer task forces, we've moved mobile medical hospitals, we've moved blankets, we've moved a large number of other relief material. In addition to this, Gaurav, the Nepalese army had requested for oxygen cylinders because there's a very grave situation of a lack of oxygen cylinders there. And these oxygen cylinders are being picked up from Bengdubi and will be moved to Nepal tomorrow.
Okay. The Army Chief is a proud Gorkha officer. You yourself, General, are a proud Gorkha. Tell me, how does this relationship play out? The General Dalbir, they're both Army Chiefs of each other's army. How does this relationship come into play?
Besides the fact that both the Indian Army Chief is also an honorary Chief of the Nepal Army, and General Gaurav is an honorary Chief of the Indian Army. We have 38,000 serving Nepal origin Gorkha soldiers in India, as well as 125,000 pensioners who are in Nepal and who receive pension from the Indian government. These pensioners will also be used by us, our ex-servicemen there, as an interface to ensure that relief reaches all the quarters of Nepal where it is needed. To that point, the pension-paying office in Pokhara has been now converted into a headquarters for multinational relief provision, and that place will focus on providing relief to where the earthquake actually hit the key point of Lamjung and Pokhara.
Tell me this, is there requirement of manpower in Nepal? As you rightly pointed out, General, 38,000 serving Gurkhas in the Gurkha Rifles Regiment in India, Nepalese citizens. They would be concerned about their families. Will they be sent back? Does Nepal require manpower at this stage?
Of course, they will be very worried about their families in Nepal. And what we've done earlier, wherever any such disaster hit Nepal, is that we always moved the soldiers who needed to go back to Nepal. And they would go and check on their families. So we will be doing the same thing at a regimental level. That means at a regiment to regiment level, the soldiers who are affected will go there. And as they go there, they will integrate with the relief operations there and further help us provide and pinpoint relief to the areas we need it most.
General, wish you all the best for Operation Maitri.